Welcome to Siemens Residential Heating Controls. In this video, we will show you how to rebind your Siemens wireless programmable room thermostat after it has lost communication with the receiver. The RDJ10RF communicates with your boiler by transmitting a signal to an RF receiver. You will need to locate the receiver and confirm current status of the receiver before proceeding. The receiver will usually be mounted to the wall close to your boiler. If the unit displays a solid red LED, this indicates a permanent loss of communication, whilst no illumination identifies a temporary communication failure. If there is a solid green light or flashing green light, the issue you are experiencing may not be related to communication, and you should watch our RDJ10RF fault finding video for additional help. In situations where the unit has worked effectively and has only demonstrated communication failure once within 12 months, we recommend replacing the batteries in the thermostat, even if the thermostat is not displaying a low battery symbol on the LCD. There is a link in the comments section below explaining how to replace batteries. To prepare the unit for this process, please ensure that if the unit is mounted to the wall or has a back plate or stand attached, that these are removed. This is achieved by unfastening the silver Phillips head screw at the base of the unit. If you have an RDJ10RF, please ensure that the horizontal slide bar is set to auto and the right-hand vertical slide switch is set to run. If you have an RDH10RF, please disregard this process. You are then ready to begin the binding process. On the receiver, press and hold the Learn and Override buttons together for 4 seconds. You may need a pen to press the Learn button. If this is done successfully, the status LED should flash red and then stay solid. You will then need to put the receiver unit into Learn mode. To do this, press and hold the Learn button on its own for 2 seconds. Again, you may need to use a pen for this. The status LED will again flash and go out. Now turn the thermostat unit over. Press and hold the Learn button for 2 seconds. The status LED should flash green 2 to 3 times and then go out. The unit is now successfully bound to and communicating with the receiver. After 30 to 40 seconds, the status LED should turn solid green and will remain permanently in that state whilst communication between the two units is good. If you would like to test the connection, simply press the test button on the rear of the thermostat. The status LED and switch indicator LED located on the middle right-hand side of the receiver should both flash and then remain solid. This indicates that the boiler has been switched live. To exit test mode, press the test button once more and you should notice the switch indicator LED flash and then go out. For more operational videos on the RDJ10RF, please click on the relevant link on screen.